'Cause I'm in the fascinated. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, can't hit baseball, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beat shit like money. Big dog, all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up. Hey, let's go! Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so we bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky star. Light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk, just move right up the wall. Day or night, sky's the light, so we dance to the break of dawn. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the license, so you should keep your eyes on the ball. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Let me feel it, honey, yeah, this bitch is feeling like money. And this all overload, I'm into this, I'm good to go, I'm down, you know I glow up. And let's go! 'Cause
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Coding. So today in this my video we will make password AI. This we have to click on start new project, PSSWO password AI 2 password AI 2 like this. It will open, then we have to go to layout here, then we have to drag here vertical arrangement. Its height will put as fill parents. Okay, width also fill parents. This, and we have to image upload file, choose file. I will choose this one. Okay, yes, then we have to put it non-visible, and then we have to go to media, then we have to sorry then we have to go to layout again, we have to drag a vertical arrangement. Its height will put as fill parents, with also fill parents. Image will upload file, choose file, and this one Ninja H2 pick like this, and this also non-visible. Then we have to drag here first, we have to drag here media, we have to go to media, then we have to drag here speech recognizer, then text to speech, and text to speech pitch we will put as 0.5 like this. And then our work has done here, then we have to go to blocks. Then after going block we have to click on screen 1. When screen 1 do initialize do to go to text speech 1, call text speech 1 dot speak message. Then we have to go to text, we have to drag here empty text, and then we have to write here please enter your password, speak sorry your PSSWOOD, please speak your password like this. Then we have to drag here what we have to go to text to speech 1. When text to speech 1 of dot after speaking, we have to go to speech recognizer, call speech recognizer dot text like this. Then we have to go to speech recognizer again, then we have to drag here when speak recognizer 1 after getting text. Then here we have to go to maths, then we have to drag here like sorry first we have to go to control, then we have to drag if then condition, then we have to drag it here, then we have to copy this right here, then Here we have to write our password. My password will be password only. Yes, let's put it as password only. Then we have to drag our cursor to get this result. Then get result we have to drag like this. Then we have to do means text to speech, uh, no, vertical arrangement. Yes, vertical arrangement dot set vertical arrangement dot visible to, like this. Then we have to go to logic and we have to drag here true one. Then we have to change it into false. Then we have to copy this only again, copy paste. We have to drag here. Then vertical arrangement 1 will be in vertical arrangement 2, false will be in true, like this. Then we have to go to set here if then settings. We have to click on this. We have to drag here else. If the password we speak is wrong, so what it will say? It will say we have to go to text to speech one. Call text to speech one dot text, like this. And we have to copy paste this again, and we have to like this, and we have to write here wrong pass. We can write wrong password or password wrong. I will write here wrong password, like this. So let's check this in AI companion in my phone. Guys, here we have to click on AI companion 2, and then we have to click on install, accept. It will install like this. We will click on open. Well, please wait, installation finishing. And we have to click on scan QR code, like this. It will ask for allowance. We have to click on allow. After clicking on allow, we have to, here in this laptop screen, we have to click on connect AI companion, and here like this we have to scan. Yes, it will be fine, and it will take time for a minute. It will take a time. It will come now here.
Please speak your password.
Password. My password was password, and it has been opened, so it means that it is working successfully. So thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to click on the like, share and subscribe button. So thanks for watching my video, and if any questions, no, first we have to go to designer view, then we have to click here vertical arrangement 1, and we have to click on visible, like this. Only this we have to do. So thanks for watching my video, and if any questions, do comment on this, and thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We will meet soon in my next video.
Can't call me artist, can't call me idol. 아님 어떤 다른 뭐라 해도 I don't care. I'm proud of it. 난 잘 없네. 너무 알았네. 나는 항상 나였길. 손가락질 해. get touching. I do my thing. I love myself.